Let us start working on problem number 17, right. So the greatest number which will divide 2112 and 2792, leaving 4 as the remainder in each case is, right. We need to find the HCF. Before finding the HCF, so we are supposed to subtract this 4 from these numbers, right. So 2112 minus 4, which is going to be 12 minus 4 is 8, right, 0, right, 1, 2. This is the first number. Second number is 2792 minus 4, right, again. So 12 minus 4 is 8, right, so 8, 7, 2. Now we need to find the HCF for these two numbers, right. You can go either with the prime factorization or division method. Let me go with the division. It's very simple one. Let us check out here. 2788. The bigger number I am going to divide by the smaller number, that is going to be 2108. So this is 2100 and this is 2788. So ones are, let me take, this is going to be 2108. Now subtract here. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 680 we got, right. From this 680, so I need to divide 2108. So let me divide 2108. 700, consider it as a 700. 700 3s are, right. 2100. Let me go with the 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 8s are 24. 4. 2 carry, right. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Right. Now 8 minus 0 is 8. So 10 minus 4 is 6, right. So 0. Now, so we have to divide 680 from 68, that is 680. So 10s are 680. So 0. So no remainder. That's what here we are able to do. That's what this is going to be HCF of 2108 and 2788. So when you divide from 68 these two numbers, that is 2112 and 2792, you are going to get 4 as the remainder, right. If you find difficult, go with the prime factorization. Let us go with that. That is going to be 2108. Start finding it, right. 2s are, right, 1s are 0, 5, 4, right. Again 2, go with this. 5s are, right, 2s are, right, 7s are. Then so we can we go with the 3? Let us check out the 3. So 3 3s are, 3 1s are 22, right. So no, 3 is not possible, right. So 527 must be divided by some number, right. That is what important now. So 527, right, right. 2108, that divided by 4, we will get that. So that is going to be divided by, if I go with the 3, it's not possible. 4, 7, 527, you need to check out that divided by 7, which is again is going to be difficult, right. Now what happens? So let me go with 9, okay. So 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So it is not possible to divide, right. So now which number can I divide? That is what we need to check out now. So it will take time to do that. Instead of that, this method you can easily do it, right. 527 that divided by that is what we can do with 37, that's 68, right. 68 that divided by 2, right. 34. Let me find here. Let me keep it here only. Let us go with that 2788. Let me go with that 2788, right. Now 2 1s are, 2 3s are, right, 9s are, 4s are. Again I will go with the 2 6 are, right, 1 2 9s are, right, 1 7s are. here 697 we got, 9, 14, 20 we will get. Here again we stuck up with a division, right? To start working on it, no. So factorization will, if you know the division, you can do it, but it will take time, right? So let me go with 7 sevens are, right? 7 sevens are 49. So 3 remainder, no, we can't divide, right? So 527, right? 527. So which is going to be 17, right? 17 it is going to divide. So 17. So 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51. So 117 ones are. So now this is what going to be your this thing. Further division is not possible because this is also prime number and this is also prime number. Now 697 again it is going to be divisible divided by 17 only. 17 4s are 68 and 1s are. So that's what for 2108. So which is going to be the factors, prime factors is 2 into 2 into 17 into 31. For 2788, right, it is going to be 2 into 17 into 41. Now common terms are here, factors here 2, again 2 and again 17, right? So that's what the HCF for this is 17 2s are 34, 2s are 68.